cha. Woo. We almost there. We almost there. Barbara, go. Go, Barbara. Same way right here for us. You go down with this one. When you come back up, you come back up with the other one, yeah? Again. Barbara, let's go from the top.
5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cha-cha-cha.
And you're done, right? So the movement, right here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, cha-cha-cha, in, cha-cha-cha, out. Settle, right? So, alright, we got it? And then, this weekend, of course, we're gonna make it perfect, okay? Everything, the more time, workshop. And you guys, Lionel, the privates are available, right? Yeah, you guys can also, for the instructors, you guys can book privates, okay? I don't know about the other ones, but Dr. Kizomba, if I'm not teaching, I'm working. If you guys book your private, all right, I can teach you as much as you want in one weekend, all right? You're going to be better than, all right, so good, all right. So contact your name and you got it. Now let's go from the top. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, no. We got more than this. The whole dog. Everything from the beginning, all right? Lucy time. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 5. Oh, yeah? Un, deux, trois. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cha cha cha, ma, cha cha cha. Alright? So that's what we're gonna do. Look up. Jingle. Right, so that's what we did. It's okay. If you don't have the movement, it's okay. Ladies, please, go back to the same position. First line.